Hi friends, this is 5 Minutes Tech YouTube channel. Here is Vivo V15 smartphone. In this video, you will learn how you can change PIN password in your phone Vivo V15. First, go to the settings in your phone. Go to settings. Then go to fingerprints and password. Then type current PIN. Enter the lock screen password. It is asking enter the lock screen password. That is, I have set already a 4-digit PIN as a password. If you want to change that PIN to another PIN, yes, you can do. First, you have to give the current PIN here. So I have here set 4747. So I give it and it will open. Here you go to select lock screen password. Click on lock screen password and now type new password. So I would like to type 2805. Okay, you have entered an incorrect password. Enter the lock screen password. So now also it asking for current password. Okay, so 4747, type it. Then here you can change. Okay, click on 4-digit password and now type new password. So I would like to change it to 2805. Okay, again you go to type the same password to verify 2805 and yes, it is confirmed. Now put lock screen and try to open your phone. Now you go to enter your new PIN. Okay, that is 2805. Old password, old PIN is not working now. Only new PIN will work. Old PIN is 4747. It's not working. So in this way, you can easily change your PIN password from current password to another one. Okay, that's all, friends. Thanks for watching. Bye.